please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. So here is AMC Entertainment. This finishes at $18.68 today. That is up 6.86%. So I haven't talked about AMC in a while. This did squeeze up to around 35 and has since pulled back very significantly, almost 50%. But today, this did get some pretty good price action and made StockTwits top 10. I think it had around 4,000 mentions. So we're going to analyze it. So really no company-specific news to justify this price action today. It just seems like the overall market did really well, especially the growth and meme stocks. And it does appear like AMC is starting to bottom out and reverse. So let's go ahead and analyze here. And really, there's not too much to go off of. So this appears to be a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being 1730, and there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 29.85, 30.80, 43.25, 46.15, 52.40, 61.10, $65, or even the high of 72.60. Although I do think the most realistic tops would be 29.85 or 34.80. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. And the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, does look like it bottomed out and is reversing, and the lines are going to cross pretty soon. So that's a bullish indicator. That is suggesting that the stock should be on its way to the upside. And in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 1835. So if this holds, that would be a bearish indicator that is telling us that tomorrow this stock will probably sell off. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1955 and 1855. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1955, 2035, 2115, 2245, 2360, 2435, 2535, 2675, 2785, 2895, 2985, 3090, 3195, 3275, 3365, 3480, and then 3605. There is resistance above 3605, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1780, 1730, 1650, 1535, 1410, 1295, $12, 1090, and then 985. There is support below 985, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 1870, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. RSI is currently at 47, so that is pretty average, a little bit below average. So according to the RSI, this current price of 1870 is around fair market value, maybe should be a little bit higher. And this did 32 million in volume today, which is way below the average of 93 million. So this pump today was not confirmed by the volume. Okay guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So long term, looks like a really good stock to buy and hold. Strong bullish indicator in the cup and handle. And in the short term, this does appear like it did bottom out and is starting to reverse. We got some very strong support at 1730, and this is starting to form a cup and handle here. So it looks like the bottom is 1730. Hopefully it doesn't break that. If it does, that can go really bad. But yeah, if you want to go long, not financial advice, 1870 is really not a bad entry. It's a very average entry. Really can't go too wrong going long here at 1870. I really don't think it's going to go lower than 1730. Very strong support there. So maybe you can wait and see if this comes back down to 1730. But I would support going long at the current price, 1870 and lower. And if it pulls back below 1870, then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Looks pretty bullish in the short term. Got a strong bullish indicator here in this cup and handle. This should come back up to 29.85 or 34.80 to complete the cup. I would say going long here would be a low risk, high reward play. 10% downside potential, 40 to 55% upside potential. So going long here appears to be a pretty good play. Not the greatest entry, but very average entry and a lot of upside potential and not too much downside potential. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. I don't think that's a great idea. You should have went short back in the $30 range, even in the high 20s. It sold off 50%, and at this price, 1870, I think it's a bit too late here to go short. Again, very strong support at 1730. Really don't think it's going to break that. So this really shouldn't go lower than 10%. There's about a 10% downside and a 40% upside potential if this comes back up to 29.85, and over a 55% upside potential if it comes back up to 34.80. So I would say going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. Not worth it in my opinion. Don't think that's a great idea, so please don't short this one, guys. All right, so pretty straightforward here, guys. Long term looks like a good stock to buy and hold. Short term looks very bullish as well. Really shouldn't go too much lower, and a good amount of upside potential. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AMC Entertainment. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.